expose. That's what I'm known for. How's it? No, Mike's not muted. How's everybody doing, boys? What's up, AJ? What's up, Badass? My boy Saxy in the cut. I just had to pay for a new subscription on TradingView, bro. I was setting up my charts. Oof. Sorry about that. Man, a lot to get to. A lot of questions to be asked. A lot of questions to be answered. Most importantly, a lot of trades to be taken. Because we're at the start of a new year, boys. New year. Y'all believe that? Let me see this. All right, let me put. I still have 2 copyright strikes. Let me put some music and let's start getting this stream going. It is early on, and hold up. Non-copyright. It does. If anybody has like a playlist that they recommend that's non-copyright. Wait, non.
Want to know I took my business to the next
Goddamn ads, bro.
It's Shopify. Shopify has all.
What it do, the lobby? How's the family, brother? How's the wife and how's the family? How are the kids? Are they back in school yet, or are we still on vacation? Man, I am so excited to be back and streaming. I'm so excited to start trading again. I mean, I've been trading here and there. I've been doing my thing, and I mean, trading wise, things have been going great. So I'm excited to actually come and start. I haven't even looked at the charts today, boys. So if you guys are just barely joining into the stream, you guys are gonna catch me fresh, giving the whole breakdown. School starts tomorrow. Makes sense. School starts in the morning or Tuesday. Man, gold's about to melt. My ass wanted to take it when I was like over here. AJ, honestly, nothing big happened. Me and Miguel still in really good standings. We're boys. Just we both want to manage the business separate types of ways. We both don't agree on the way of each other are managing. Or like, you know, there's just differences that there was never any big, any big initiation, like any big trigger that triggered us separating. It was more of a, and we're still helping each other in a way. That's not like, I mean, we're there for each other if we need each other, but yeah, no, it's not that there's any beef. It's nothing juicy or interesting like that. It's just more is I don't stand on the way he does his things, and, you know. AJ, all those accounts, I mean, those last accounts you gave to him personally. Remember? I mean, no, that's, yeah, you're asking the wrong person here. You have to deal with that with him. How's everything, Arnold? Yo, can somebody give me a confirmation how the background music sounds right now? The non-copyright music. Is it too ass? The thing is, I have 2 strikes right now. Where if they give me a third, I'm pretty sure my channel gets banned. It's like one of those hard strikes. It's not even like one of the light ones that they just block my. Cause like there's some strikes that I get every single day whenever we were chilling. Before my stream was actually like getting traction, I would get like these type of strikes where my videos would just get banned like in Russia and China and shit like that. Now my goddamn video, like that, now I have 2 strikes that they like expire within a month from today, but they fucking were like 3-month periods where if I get any more strikes, my whole account gets deleted. Like what? My whole account gets deleted? You are still going to be managing accounts? Not really, brother. Right now, my only plan is to just be here every single day for the rest of the year. And I mean, I already have certain accounts that are mine that I've been managing personally, and those are the ones that I'm going to keep on managing. Those know who they are, and I don't know, just too much to deal with right now. Because I'm still trying to cover damages that have been done from wherever I put my word. I am trying to make sure it's covered. So it's like, I mean, it's the same thing whenever, remember when you gave me one of your accounts in drawdown, and then that account ended up getting breached. What did I do? I bought you another account because that was where my word was, and that was my agreement with you. So I'm trying to just make sure that all my agreements that I have done personally with my own word are being kept. And as long as I do that, yeah, there's only up. Martin CEO. Alright, let's focus on some more charts, boys. I'm ready to fucking call out a trade, bruh. GG is obviously gonna melt. What? I mean, it's bullish as hell. We ain't gonna say that we bullish lifestyle anymore. That's gonna be a little bit hard to get used to, but I mean, let's wait for a little bit more price action right now. Anybody take any trades yet? Alright, how's everybody's vacations going? Did anybody get any really good Christmas gifts? I'll tell you what, my best Christmas gift that I got was a Yeti cooler. They gave me like a Yeti cooler. They gave me a fucking Yeti cooler. It was the best thing in the world. I think that was the best Christmas gift I've gotten in the last like 5 Christmas. I got a video of it if you guys want to see it. I'll show you the video. Why not? What's funny is that my sister got it for me, because I know that my sister's like one of the, as Andrew Tate would call it, a brokey. I kind of sent her the money for it after she bought it for me, but nonetheless, the gift was incredible, and it still is my favorite gift. Like, oh, it comes with like a little lipstick for the zipper. I could take it like golfing and shit. It's so beautiful. Jesus Christ. VR headsets is a W gift. Beats and concerts, that's lit. Delavi's a W dad. I've seen Delavi in real life, Jay Delavi, and he's definitely a W dad. W dad, W husband, W man of life. Very successful man. Very successful person. Very smart also. Very fucking... Age don't mean anything with this guy. This guy's very fucking tech savvy and very fucking updated with what's going on in life and shit like that. I have a few questions. Delavi, I have a... Man, I have a... I have like a fucking... I have a person who has a business. And I don't want to speak too much on the business, even though it really doesn't matter. But they basically sell parts. They have truck parts here in the United States, and they sell truck parts to Venezuela, and they're like licensed that they can only sell. They are the only ones that can sell these truck parts. Point is, this person has like 8 different manufacturers, 8 different people in Venezuela that he's been collecting money from. But the way he collects money from them is having like a guy go collect the money from them with a fucking armored truck type shit, and then he has to go through a whole bunch of different fucking getting the black dollar and going through a whole bunch of bullshit to be able to fucking get the money sent back to this guy here in Miami, right? And I told the guy, I was like, bro, you never worked with crypto before? You know, would that solve any of your like fucking middleman problems? And he has no idea how to use it, and and that's where I was, and that's where I was like, bro. So my only thing is, and so we had a long conversation. I'm gonna have a conversation with you after this, or at one point if it gets too late. But I just want to know more about how the tax would work. Like how the tax would work. What would be the best route for like sending money? Would it be through USDT, Tron, TRC? Like what would be the logistics of getting this done? And then like what would be my best route? Would it be trying to figure out how to get these 8 different people that have to send money to this main guy here in Miami to learn how to use it on their own? Or should I just get the same guy that's collecting all the money to collect all the money, then him do the whole process of putting it through USDC Polygon? Through Polygon, it's trustworthy to send fucking, because I'm talking about like big amounts, like 20,000 here, 30,000 here, 20,000 here, 30,000 here. I know they could all send money directly. I'm just thinking like logistically what would be the best thing to do in my position to try to help this guy. Basically my fiance's dad. Just has a whole bunch of middlemen and just a whole bunch of little tax things that go into people sending him money directly. I was like, bro, just fucking... And then also the conversion fees. Jesus. All right, Delavi. Well, I'm gonna hopefully. I mean, and then like when the money gets received to an account here in the United States, when do you get charged tax on it? I mean, it's gonna maintain the dollar value. Is there gonna be any transition fee through like each side? Like, how does he make them pay the transition fee? And when he pulls out, what's gonna be the tax bracket that it's under? Probably like things that don't even matter too much because he's still avoiding so much. Yeah, you get taxed and you go through treasuries, and he also has to go through fucking getting black dollars, and he has to go through fucking getting one guy the money to fucking, he goes through one guy paying one guy to get the money, paying another guy to just fucking trend. Like, I don't know. Forgot the whole process he explained, but it was definitely complicated. Hey man, I remember you from the Daniel streams when we all did the FTMO passing together. We was rolling a blunt every single day. It was funny how I just turned on a blunt. That's funny that you remember me. That's great. Shout out to you for fucking sticking around to the charts, brother. If you're still on that journey, make sure you maintain yourself on that journey. And that goes for anybody that's here on the stream listening. If you are on that journey, keep coming back to the charts, boys. I am telling you, that's the one thing that makes me different, that makes Daniel different, that makes Lambarolo different, that makes anybody in this chat that's found success different. And the reason we found success is because we came back, and we came back, and we came back, and we came back. As long as you keep coming back. Doesn't matter how many times you fall, but it's not about how many times you fall, it's how many times you bounce back. So, congratulations to you, brother. Look at this little bullish flag we got going on here, which I think is like a little bit of a fake out of a flag. I think that we need a big downwards movement before we fly. Let's look at gold. I've been finding success with gold. All right. So it doesn't look like winning longer. You have to make a contract with it. I want to ask what the best Aurelio, because I'm also wondering how it works with Venezuelans and shit like that. So I think Aurelio would be a really good source of information for the Venezuelan speakers. All right, boys. Kind of haven't broken down any charts yet. Let's first do what you have to do. Let's go check the news, boys. Is there gonna be any news tonight? Oh. It's a sad ass trading session tonight, which is totally fine. Remember, boys, what we're doing here is that we're taking one trade a session, right? I should probably buy an FTMO account and probably pass it with you guys and do a new challenge series. I should probably do that. That's probably what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna actually get ready to buy a challenge, and we're gonna take one trade on it, and I'm gonna show you guys how much I risk per trade. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're at every single day. Every single day with the FTMO account. It's going to be like our FTMO account, but I'm going to decide on what we take. I've done this before. It's a series that I love doing, and I think that it's going to be fun to do. Not this again. No, it's like my account. No. It's perfect. Interesting. What really sucks is that I can't put fucking fire music. That's the real fucking hard part about this whole thing. Alright, let's look at the weekly on gold. When we check out the weekly on gold, we see that we are tapping this 8 SMA. Now, when we look at the previous weeks on gold and potentially the monthly, we're probably, let me see the monthly real quick. Well, monthly is bearish, but we've been coming off of bullish. Realistically, this gold still looks very bearish, and it could potentially melt out really strong. I wouldn't be surprised though if by Friday this rejects this 8 SMA. I think that we are going to probably keep on pushing, potentially break this low, but I would not be surprised if we end up rejecting before this weekly close, rejecting and leaving a wick just like the previous one, right? So I think that we're going to fake out as if we're breaking this 8 SMA, but we are going to actually so I'm first bearish before bullish, but I think that this has a little bit more sells left in it. Nonetheless, it's a little bit too aggressive of a trade for me to top in right now. If nobody really, if for the people that are very new of this, which I don't think I have anybody that's really new in here. Everybody in the stream right here is what I would consider amateur to pro. We have a level of support that is being held. Where are my circles? I need to have my circles. I do not know where they are. Fuck it. Where's my brush? I'm missing everything here. Brush. Circle. Okay, we have levels of resistance that are, you know, lowering and lowering and lowering as levels of support are being held. I think we're gonna accumulate up to the, you know, like we're accumulating to this level of support, and then eventually we're gonna see a huge rejection and then break, or break, retest, then break. But I don't know. I think that we're gonna trade in these levels right now. It's a big head and shoulders that we're seeing right here. Also, I shouldn't really be smoking. I'm coming off of being sick. That's the spirit, Arnold. I don't think. I mean, I live in the moment. I think that you can never replicate what was done in the past. Nonetheless, you gotta just try to create better for the future. Now, when we look at GJ, which is what we really want to fucking be trading today, we are in a dangerous zone because we are in between. This is the daily, and we're in between these two SMAs, right? I probably think that we're gonna flip bullish, 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 bullish. Nonetheless, we could see bearish movement before we go bullish, and that's, you know, ones in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ, twos in the chat if you guys are bearish. I'm probably expecting to see more twos in the chat right now. Good morning. It has been a very long time. It has been approximately like 4 or 5 weeks, maybe even longer, boys. Wow, it's been like 2 months. But what I could tell you is that I am back. I've settled myself and my business around me where I know I could be here on stream every single day, and that's the most important thing. I don't even got a Discord community group right now. I don't got anything besides the only thing I got here right now. Literally the only thing I got in here right now is I don't even got a mod. I'm gonna set AJ as a mod. The only thing I got are my live streams. That's the only thing I really care about right now. I just want my live streams to be fucking popping, right? I just want to be able to get here every single day and take a fucking banger trade. Why? Because I know that I have one of the best track records that I've performed on London live stream in a very long time that anybody's ever done, actually. And I want to be able to fucking keep on performing very well on live stream and just have people be able to come and take my trades and us vibe. The vibe is fucking by far the funnest thing about the live streams. I don't even know what to type to look for myself anymore. I have a horrible name that I can't change anymore. So we got to come up with a new name for the channel, boys, because this is not it. This is just what I was making fun of, SMC, woke money concepts. Oh my god. I don't even know how to look for myself. This is such a sad thing. I swear to god, I do not know how to look for myself. Is this me? Oh my god. This is... Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a lot of work to get to this week. But I love that you guys are going to be able to see the progress. That's the dope part about this as well. You guys will be able to be a part of wait, is this even my... Yeah. You guys will be a part of the progress. Where the hell is AJ? Where the hell's Badass? Oh, he's right there. Beautiful. My boy Alvin! Oh my god. I miss fucking coming on live stream so much. So much. You guys have no idea. You guys have no idea how much I bitched at everybody around me while I was on vacation. Just telling them how I fucking hate vacation. That fucking vacation for people that don't enjoy what they do. And I just love being here. And I wasn't even at home. I've been busy. And yeah, boys, I got big news. A lot of people know me personally, the big news. Other people don't. It doesn't matter. I don't really want to say the big news on stream. Some know, some don't. Doesn't matter. But yeah, I've been dealing with a lot of things, good things in life. So, oh yeah, I've just been busy in a way and been planning and doing a whole bunch of bullshit. You having a kid? No, not that. That's close, but not that. That is funny. That's funny that he guessed that. No, I mean, close. I mean, it's not close to that. You golf with Raul, didn't you? Yeah, dude. Me and Raul were boys, dude. Raul was always asking to golf with me, and I had to go and give him a little 1-2. He played actually very well. He was actually beating me for like the first fucking 3 holes. He started off like fucking par birdie, and I went fucking. I had the hole number 1. I had the closest birdie look, and I ended up 3-putting. Got a bogey. Everybody else got a par. I started beneath, and then again I got like I started off with 2 bogeys. He started off with 2 pars, and he got a birdie. So he was beating me by 3 strokes within like fucking 4 holes. And then after that, I turned up the. Bow, bow, bow! You already know. All right, boys. What do you guys think that GG is going to happen? GG looks pretty bearish right now, right? It looks like it's going to keep on melting. We're seeing levels of resistance form. Just lower levels of... Oh my god, dude. I hate when this happens. Can't control my screen. All right, we're seeing lower levels of resistance form. Resistance. 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 Boom, resistance. Huge rejection. So it's like that little move already happened. We can't just hop into a random sell. But it's more of just to understand where price is moving and understand what's actually happening as we speak, right? I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know where I changed my name. I mean, I don't know, guys. There's just a bunch of changes that are going to go on this channel because this channel is not going to be Bullish Lifestyle anymore. This channel is going to be my channel and only my channel. Yes, sir. We're going to start off this year with a banger because we are also going to track every trade that we take. We're only going to be taking 1 trade a session. So if you guys have not taken a trade yet and you guys are going to take your first trade with me, that is going to be amazing. Is that my signals are too hard to send and sell. So it's like, I don't even like fucking offering signals because I suck at sending them. We have to think of a name for the channel. Help me out. I've been thinking. I asked ChatGPT all types of questions. No, the lobby. I appreciate the first try. Somebody had to break the ice. Be that bullish. That's disrespectful. BBC Concepts is probably... I would get trashed on by like fucking other people like Darren Savage and shit. I could imagine it already. London Lifestyle is the best name so far. I'll give you that. Dunkin' don't lie. that's second place. The Baconators is definitely Not even close to being on the leaderboards. Alright, boys, I bet that we're not paying attention too much to the charts real quick. I honestly see this move already happen, right? Right now, we had this ascending wedge, right? Not sure if you guys realize this is an ascending wedge where we see a 90% rule play out. If you guys are not familiar with what the 90% rule is, it is just whenever we have a wedge, right? We either are ascending wedges, and then there's descending wedges. This one's ascending, which means it's going up, which is a reversal pattern. So if it's going up, we know it's a reversal pattern for it to just go down, right? What the 90% rule says is that whenever we have an ascending wedge and then we start having multiple touches, the rule is 3 touches. That is when you start seeing a move of 90% of the time. Whenever we have the break and then we have the retest, we usually see price come down to the bottom of the wedge, which would be right here where I'm circling. And that is the 90% rule. You can find it in all types of structures and like imagine right here there could be a 90% rule playing out if I were to zoom in. I'm not sure if it's there. I'm not sure how valid it looks. Nonetheless, that's kind of what I get. That's what I get out of looking of what happened right here. This kind of break of structure right here. We had the 1 tap right here. My sensitivity is a little too fast. 2 taps right here, and then 3 taps right here. And then from here we had the break, retest, descend, bottom of the wedge. Yo, where could you contact me? My Discord, brother. How's everything, Peter? You want to contact me to my Discord? If you don't have me on Discord, let me see what my Discord username is. I do not know how to find. Jesus Christ. Well, I like that GG is actually going bullish right now because I think it's going to give us this. So as price is rising right now, this is where my trading mind is telling me, all right, price is rising, which means if there's a sell entry for me, if I'm actually bearish, price is rising right now. This is where I'm actually going to have to start paying attention to be able to get ready if I'm going to take an entry to see if I have a possible good entry. All right, boys, we have anybody in any trades right now? Anybody actually taking? All right, I'm going to start marking up the chart a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of amateur, what I call amateur markings, which honestly, they're not amateur markings. Actually, I take that back. Let's keep this. Let's erase the middle color. We don't need no background. Actually, let's keep the background. Make the background though cyan. We're gonna label this as 4-hour support because that's what it is right here, 4-hour support. We're gonna raise it probably a little bit. Coordinates, visibility, text. So if anybody does not know how to mark up their charts and they're always like, how come his charts look better than mine? Look what I'm doing, guys. All I'm doing is zooming in on a very strong time frame, and I'm gonna start marking up levels. Right? 4-hour. Look how it says it right there. I don't like where it says it, so I'm going back to settings. 4-hour. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Change it to white. 4-hour. Sup. Let me just put sup. And also I need to put this in the center. And actually I'm going to put it in the middle. Nope, never mind. On the bottom. Beautiful. Lock. Now I'll go to my 1-hour. 1 hour is very similar to my 4-hour support. So let's just have the 4-hour there. Wow, 4-hour support showed very strong rejection. Very, very strong. Oop. I do not like the colors of my circles. I have a new trading view, guys. I had to pay for a whole new goddamn trading view. So now I'm going to change the color of my circles. Yo, how many pips is that? GJ bounced. What? 29 pips? So confused. Basically a 4-hour trade. I mean, man, I don't even like looking at the charts in that type of way. Like, basically a 4-hour trade. I think that this a 4-hour trade is the same thing as a 15-minute trade. Like, somebody could have just, you know, like the same way I'm paying attention to this 4-hour support. The same person taking this trade was the same person taking the 15-minute trade. You know, just taking the continuation. Like, they're this. Like, there shouldn't be any type of like a branding name on the type of trade. It just is. That's the only trade there is to take here. There is, if you're trading on the 1 minute and 5 minute chart, you know, we're talking about different things. You know, I'm talking about using the actual probabilities, and when we're talking about actual probabilities, like right now, you have to be looking at the 1 hour. You have to be looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour for every type of trade, even if it's gonna last you 15 minutes. If we would have taken an entry because we were noticing it was a 4-hour support and the 1 hour might have flipped bullish, I mean, yeah, the 15 minutes pushing, but still, we need to still wait for this 1 hour. Like, it's the same trade. So like right now in this whole pre-London session, we've been on for 30 minutes, but pre-London has lasted 52 minutes. I mean, you could have caught this continuation sell from when, no, this was 2 o'clock. There's been no trade in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. 5, I guess 5, besides this break was probably a trade, you know, break of the support. 1, 2, 3. In the last 4 hours, the only trade that there has been to take is this bullish trade. If you've been taking buys and sells and buys and sells, you've been just literally catching yourself and not doing anything, just closing and breaking on nothing. A 30 pip stop loss anywhere here, 30 pip stop loss, I don't know what 30 pips looks like, it's probably something like that, would have caught you this trade, or at least put you at break even. You would have, you know, like or if on the sell side, there's no reason for you to be getting caught in between bullshit. It's all the same trade. I don't know if you guys really understand what I'm trying to get to. We should all be looking at the same time frames, not hopping into the market just because we think that the 15 minutes is going to break, and like, what's the chance that it's actually going to just randomly open and just fly? Guys, it doesn't work like that. You know, like each trade takes time for it to play out and stuff. So you got to give it a chance. I'm scared that this daily actually is gonna flip bullish, because hopefully this comes down very strong again, and I'll take the buy, because I'm not convinced on my bias, boys. What do you guys think? What's the bias in the chat? 1's for bullish, 2's for sells. Because if we're going for sells, we should be getting ready to hop in pretty soon. 30 pip stop loss, right? Let me see what a 30 pip stop loss would look like. Oof. These candlesticks are getting pretty big. So that's what a 30 pip stop loss would look like for sells. I like it. 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 What's the 30 pip stop loss again? GJ 4.9 lot. Guys, I think we're gonna execute this trade. I need to take out my fucking.
Ma, ¿podemos llevar a Javi a su casa?
Claro.
¿Podemos llevar también a los gemelos, señora Delgado?
¿Y por qué no?
¿Y a Noah, señor Delgado?
Seguro.
How about Ignacio, Mrs. Delgado?
Obvio. Entre más mejor.
Damn, but GJ's
Pero
4. Look at
los
GJ in the 4 hour
perezosos y
real
los
quick.
balones de fútbol los ponen atrás.
Yeah, no problem. We got it.
It's all good. Alright, guys, start execute the trade. Execute the trade. Execute, execute, execute. That's what we're here for. We're here for execution.
Primera Grand Highlander.
Potentially adding 10 more pips on it just to close this off at 184. 184 stop loss. 184 is the true stop loss, boys. Yo, why is that fucking circle there? Get the Are you kidding me? There we go. All right, new 1 hour candlestick is about to open. For whoever caught that entry with me, congratulations. That is a good entry for whoever entered with us, especially with you fucking over leveragers. Oh my god, this thing looks like it's gonna go up a little bit more. Jesus Christ. It's okay. Oh, it's going down. Who knows what's gonna happen? I think it's gonna go up a little bit more. Might leave a huge wick to the downside. Please be. Hopefully, I am not being fooled by this upside down head and shoulders. Ugh. You hate to see it. But now looking at 1 hour, we got like, or am I just doomed to get clapped here? Jesus Christ. I don't like how this looks right now. Welcome to our first London stream of the year, boys. Don't tell me that London's about to fucking push through my fucking... About to close that break even. Because I really don't like this price action. If I close that break even, make sure you guys follow my move, and that means that we take another trade. Obviously, we're not even going to count that. That's just... Jesus. Why did the chat stop completely for like the last 5 minutes? Nobody said anything. Anybody in this trade with me? I'm about to close that break even, bruh. I'm actually in profit. I'm $100. That's on my live account. So everything I'm making right now is, or 80% of everything I'm making is mine. You closed, Arnold? I'm about to close. I just didn't want to panic close. I'm still on it. And it's a win. I'm glad my boy Arnold's still fucking trading with me. Yeah, no, I don't, and if I would have closed 2 to 3 pips in drawdown, I'd still consider it a break-even trade. Like, I'm not gonna go fucking tell you guys that we fucking took a loss. Fuck, you feel me? Especially when you're risking 30, like that's 0.1%. Like, get the fuck out of here. 0.10%. It's a good entry. Could potentially still play out. I could totally understand why putting yourself into profit, coming back, call that a break-even trade. Totally understand that. That was about to be my move. But sometimes your itch hits it, sometimes your itch doesn't. It's all about probabilities, and man, it's about whatever keeps your psychology in the game also. So whenever I'm trading, boys, I always try to make sure I maintain myself like in the best psychological like state I can, because guys, you guys could be focused here for for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. It takes 1 second for you to make an impulsive mistake, whether that's closing out a trade early, taking an extra position. Just it takes a second for you to do something stupid and fuck over your whole night of concentration. So I like to make sure I'm always staying concentrated, and whenever I take a move, or like, and when I say take a move, that can mean close a trade, open a trade, modify a trade, set a stop loss. I take moves that I know are gonna be that if the move goes good or if the move goes bad, I know that like my sanity, my psychology will not be fucked up. So if I have the option A and I have option B for a move that I could take, if option A goes to failure and I know I'm gonna kill myself over it, compared to option B, if that one fails and I know I'm gonna be okay with it, I'm gonna always go for the one that I'm gonna be okay with. Why? It's gonna keep me in the game, right? Some who understand what I was saying there, that are at the level where that's important, are gonna understand that. Others that didn't understand what I'm saying, it's because you guys keep on working, just keep on showing up to the charts, and you'll understand at one point. But I always take decisions that keep myself and my psychology in check. So, whether that's closing on trade break even, whether that's entering half lot, like half my original entry and then another half after, you know, it goes up or down, that's what you know, those decisions are based on your personal preferences. The bullish momentum we're seeing here with these 15-minute candlesticks, I mean, not much is telling us that we're bearish or that we're going to see a big downwards push. Besides this, I mean there are, like, this is something that would tell us that we're going to see a rejection at one point. We have these levels that were being held at one point, and I mean this huge bearish downwards momentum. That's what's telling us that we're going to sell. But what's telling us that we're going to buy is just we're not even going to look at that at that point, because we're going to sell. Oof, when that Celsius hits, boys. Jesus Christ. Oof. You know it's real when the Celsius hits more than the blunt. Ain't no lie. Oof. Oof. My bad, I was answering some messages. Boys, is it anybody's first time here in the stream? Anybody's first time here? Look at that. The power of me posting on social media. All right, I'm gonna close the break even, boys. We're gonna catch another trade, but I'm actually gonna close the break even. I lost the pip, even though it says that I'm at break even. I lost the pip. A little bit less than a pip, but basically lost the pip. Imagine this bomb just dies out of nowhere now. It was a good entry. It was good for what I thought was gonna happen with. So what I was going for there, it was the momentum of London Open. I thought that we might have gotten a strong continuation to the downside. I'm seeing price action of man, this strong 4-hour level of support right here. You see that we indicated it's our 4-hour level of support. Circle that. Oh, that stays. That's amazing. I thought it was gonna move. This little upside down head and shoulders. I'm gonna favor this price action right here. I think that we're gonna push down to this level of support right there. I'm actually gonna mark it up right now, and that's where our entry for longs are gonna be, and that is gonna be the definite trade of the session. Oh, it's already marked up. Mark up another level. I think I'm put a horizontal. Oh, it's almost coming out. We're looking for an entry around that blue level, boys. 30 pip stop loss. Realistically, I want it around this level. Yeah, I'm gonna lower this blue thing. Come on, come down. Come down. Look at that ugly ass candlestick. Dude, imagine this shit melts the fuck out. That'd be fucking ridiculous. That was the chair, boys, by the way. All right. We are seeing on the 15-minute that we are rejecting from this level of resistance. I am down to try to catch this upside down head and shoulders that I feel like is forming. And then target this right here. I just really need price to come down a little bit more. And then we'll play this higher high, well higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, just higher levels of resistance and support being formed. Jesus Christ, Arnold. Celsius. I'm seeing what this is gonna do. I'm wondering if it's actually just gonna like this mini bullish flag that we're seeing right here. I'm wondering if it's actually just gonna break out right now, or if it's gonna retrace. It gives me vibes it needs to retrace. Yo, can I see the chat color? You want to see my candlestick colors? My bad that I've been silent, boys. I'm trying to focus on if I want to be able to hop into a sell, if I really think it's gonna fly. I don't know, dude. I'm so confused on what GG wants to do, and I think it's just because of the low volume that there is. I wish there was more volume right now. We're gonna be patient though. I'm not close to running out of patience yet. All right, let's go check out gold right now. Gold recently broke this level of support. We had a continuation candle, and then it broke more to the downside. Can I see the colors then? They're the Miami Heat colors, honestly, brother. I really don't know how to show you the color. If you go to Miami Heat colors and you find them, I got you. Or I used to send them all the time. Give me a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Tamilius! How's everything, Tamilius? Oh! Tamilius just got back from camping. Man, I think, how does the cell look right here? Something like this, dude. This doesn't look like it's ready to go up. Even though it's like forming almost like a descending wedge, I don't think the descending wedge is ready. I've been good to Milius. I've been really good. Oof. Oh, GG's flying. Dude, imagine gold just decides to fucking just shit the bed completely. Because like, if you look at the dailies are already all the way at the bottom. Like, whoa, the next fucking move is wick filling this, and then we wick fill this, we're just obviously gonna come and break potentially to these lows, which would be fucking wild. I don't expect it. It'd be amazing. That would be insane. We're most likely gonna see a rejection at one point, and then just come back into the range. Alright boys, in 3 minutes we're gonna have a 30-minute candlestick closure. I'm gonna start erasing this. I'm waiting to see what the next big move is gonna be, what we're actually gonna be into. I'm actually in a small position on gold, but that's not gonna be the trade that we're calling out. GJ had a big pop to the upside, and now if we look at it, it's just coming back into the range and possibly down to this strong magnet level that we have here. And if we come back to this magnet level, this level of support, we come back to 4-hour level support, man, it's pretty clear that we're going to probably break these lows and do something. Maybe bounce after we break the lows, but it feels like we're going to break those lows. All right, how do you trade gold? What bro are you trading? So if we look at gold right now, we see a 30-minute candlestick is about to close, and we see that levels of support are being held while levels of resistance are descending, right? Descending, descending, descending. What I'm expecting right here from past experience is that we're gonna open our next 30-minute candlestick with momentum to the downside, with strong momentum to the downside. Why? Because we've been accumulating ourselves at this level for a very long time. Well, so this has been able to go down, but this has been accumulating. We're about to pop to the downside at one point. Higher probability chance of the downside. Now, could we fly upwards? 100%. Seen it many times as well. Potential 90% rule, but I don't know. I feel like we're going to the downside right now. I have that feeling. New 30-minute candlestick open. I think it opened up bullish. Let's see if it actually flips bearish. And it's popping to the upside. Yeah. Is it just me or wait? So quarter one has started already, right? Or am I being mistaken, boys? Quarter one has begun. But I don't know why is it so hard to say that. Am I being mistaken, boys, or am I correct? Arnold, you still in that cell? No, I'm not death scrolling. I'm doing calculations. I was doing calculations because I was in a mini gold cell. Sorry for that, boys. 3,940. This is what I'm waiting for a payout right now for. But I feel like the real gold melt's about to happen any second, boys. The real gold melt. Man, we had a great finishing year. We're gonna keep on starting the year. I'm just gonna jump to January right here. As you see, January has not been touched here. I think we started trading around April, but we have the like. Look how we did in November, boys. November was the last trading month because we didn't trade in December. We killed November. This is just because we take one stream every session. For anybody who's new here, we're gonna kill it. I'm gonna buy a new FTMO account very soon, and then we're gonna just trade it live. I'm gonna show you guys every trade that I take on that FTMO account. I'm gonna show you guys how I pass my accounts, boys. November was fucking wild. Were you here for the streams, Tomilius, when we were trading in November? Does anybody remember November with me, or nobody was really trading November with me from the streams right now? Get him gaming. Man, do we start taking GJ buys right now, or is GJ gonna melt out? I stop December and don't trade January usually. Man, did quarter one start already basically? Has quarter one started, or are we trading fucking still quarter four? Like in terms of, damn dude, is this 1 hour gonna flip bullish? I can see GJ's 1 hour flipping bullish, boys. That's so funny that somebody put death scrolling through TikTok. That's what people be doing. That's not what I was doing though. Oh God, that's not what I was doing. Fucking, I want GG to start moving like it's supposed to be moving like in November. I don't know. I don't even remember what time of the year was moving great. I feel like last year was such a shitty price action year. I miss those. The Corona days, man. The Corona days, we had some good ass price action. $30-minute candlestick potentially rejecting this 8 SMA right now, indicating that little entry that I have shown right there on the screen. Very high risk, high reward as well, though. The chances that GJ goes bullish today, though, is very low. Like, it could go short-term buys right now, but the chance that it goes fucking bullish, I don't know, boys. Bearish candlestick, bearish candlestick, bearish candlestick, bearish candlestick. We're beneath the 8. Dailies fucking getting ready to engulf. Buys look like the saddest thing to take on GJ right now. Our sniper cells over here were the best things that we could have been looking at. The sniper cells that we got out of Arnold, that was potentially the best trade of the night. Like this entry, we actually took this entry right here and then ended up closing break even. Would have gone through a little bit of drawdown. Still would have been around fucking break even though. This forward candlestick is actually about to close. Oliver is currently looking for a GU buy. I am in a psychological position, not currently in a real position. So potentially this trade hits, because usually the psychological ones hit, but I don't know, this looks like a little bit too aggressive to the downside for me to actually take it. There's an upside down head and shoulders here, but it still looks a little too aggressive. This looks like too much price action to the downside for me to want to fucking go against. One's in the chat if you guys actually think that GJ is going to go up right now. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish on GJ. I want to know what you guys think about GJ. Small little pump happening right now. Very small. I think a dump's about to happen realistically. I think I'm on the 2 side. Gold is about to turn into a buy, Arnold. You better start closing, boy. Gold about to fly, boy. Gold accumulating itself at this level right here. She about to flip bullish, boy. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. All right, boys. I might call a gold buy right now. This is the gold buy, and this is the warning for Arnold to get out of his trade because this trade is about a 2030. Well, 2031. Arnold, you don't see what it's telling us? How don't you see what it's telling us, Arnold? Oh my god, it's flying. Damn, wait, isn't there a new 4-hour candlestick right now? I'm so confused. No, it's at 5 o'clock. I'm an idiot. Arnold, this is about to fly, brother. This thing is literally about to rip up to the fucking 50 SMA. It's gonna be, call it a night. Beautiful entry. What did do Wall Street? Sniper? Check out these beautiful gold buys that are about to play out. The Bullish Lifestyle name got taken. I'm playing. It didn't get taken. I just Miguel's gonna start using Bullish Lifestyle. I'm gonna start using something else. You know, just separating each other's businesses, just to, you know, just keep everything in order and make things easier. Um, he's in sells on GJ or sells on gold? My bad for the low energy today, boys. I'm a little bit not fresh on streaming, boys. It's a little bit more of a, I don't know, chiller stream. TB1 about to hit any second. Got him gaming. You ate with me right there. Anybody take this gold trade with me? Yes, sir, I am back and I'm here to stay. Here to stay. We're gonna be here every single session. We're gonna be here as long as possible every single session. I'm a little bit quiet this session because I'm coming off of being having a huge fucking strep throat. I've been taking antibiotics for like the last 5 days, and it just, whenever I fucking breathe a lot in the corner, my throat starts hurting and feels like I'm being stabbed in my throat. So I'm just trying to take it easy today. Markets have been a bit slow. Nonetheless, we're here, we're alive. Kumbaya. Happy New Year to everybody who I did not say Happy New Year to. Blessings to everybody and their families. Man, I hope and wish everybody finds success in their trading this year. Find some sort of success in trading and find success in life, you know. Hopefully health for all your family, for yourselves. Joy. I don't even know what I'm preaching anymore. Yeah, we're still thinking of a name, like the official name. This is not going to be my official name. We're going to think of an official name for the channel. We have, I think, like 10 days. I can't change my name for another 10 days. So for 10 days, this is the name we're stuck with. Bullish Lifestyle. Yes, sir. We were Bullish Lifestyle. In the heart, we will always be Bullish Lifestyle, though. Charts aren't back to trade. Yo, my 30 pip sell would have been fucking banger. We would have said we wouldn't have closed at break even. The 30 pip banger would have been fucking about a hit. Yeah, GU sells. I bet you GU has been moving a lot cleaner. Yeah, this probably looks a little bit more cleaner. Wow, this looks like potential buy pretty soon though. GJ looks like it needs to get ready to melt out hard. Gold looks like it should bounce pretty any second. And then it just melts. Probably will melt. I'm gonna be patient and just hang out with you guys up until the markets start moving a little bit more, or a little bit smoother. Really, everything's been literally really bouncy and choppy for my liking. Not for my liking. What am I doing with my head down? Got my ears. I'm looking at my phone. My bad, boys. I'm on my live account right now. I mean, so for the day on my phone, I've been scalping. I'm up 2,400 something. I guess he's right there. Oh, focus for a second. Here, let me see if I can. Oh, right there. 2,400. Now, if you look at me for the on my live account, for the, I mean, my live account reset like fucking 2 days ago because I got paid out. I'm up 11,500. 11,500 on my live. So I don't know. I was just focused. I was hella focused. For those who see me stream, know that I'm not fucking. I'm looking down and just doing nothing. Arnold, the whole time I've been saying it was gonna go up, I wasn't going down. That's the truth. That's the truth. I won't lie to you, Arnold. That was the reverse. Oh my god. Feels so good. So I was calculating out of 11, I'm up 11,650. 11,650 times 0.80, because that's how much they're gonna pay me out. I get paid out 9,320 smackaroonies. I'm seeing, boys, if we should take a bounce on GJ, or we're just gonna look like fools. It's not even GJ. I'm looking at GU. This is GJ. Looks pretty whack. Damn, that GJ buy was a good. I didn't take it, but it would have been a good entry. Ah. Arnold, I think gold's gonna just keep on melting out, bro. I don't really know if it's gonna bounce. Now I'm saying that honestly. Well, I'm glad I'm not in that fucking cell. Nah, this GJ buy is not ready yet, boys. Still too much bearish momentum. Hmm. LMAO, GJ got some lower. You think GJ needs to go lower? I probably agree as well. I think that gold needs to go lower as well. I don't think that gold's just gonna recover like that. Even though it's giving information like it might just go on a bull run right now. But I don't know. It looks a little bit too good to be true for the bull run. Kumbaya. I love the kumbayas. Yeah, I mean, this is my first stream back in a while, boys. I'm a little bit low on energy due to the fact that I'm sick. Markets aren't my favorite right now during January. I apologize. I promise you that each stream I'll come with more and more energy and more excitement and more bangers and bangers on bangers right now. Wow, GG is melting on vacation. It hurts so much when I yawn because I'm still sick. Ow. Aurelio, buenos días y feliz año. Bendiciones. I'm coming off of being very sick, so it hurts whenever I yawn. Because my throat was like, I'm like taking antibiotics, because I had strep throat or like whatever the fuck. For like 4 days, this will be day 5. Gold break even. Me looking at this gold, I don't know, boys. I don't even want to give any suggestions on what to do right now. Price action is just so fucking slow right now. Jesus Christ, man. Nope, that's flying. See? That's why I don't like telling you guys what to do. Whenever I just don't know, I just don't know. I'm just completely gonna always choose the opposite of what's gonna happen. It's the way it goes. That new 15-minute candlestick has a lot of momentum to the upside. Shit's gonna push. New 15-minute candlestick has a lot of momentum to the upside. It's gonna leave a wick and then push. That's what this whole area is actually doing. It's just leaving wicks and pushing. Wicks and pushing. Wicks, push. It's gonna leave a wick and push. Sells is probably not the way we should be looking at this chart right now. Even though it's like the continuation of the major time frame price action, which is what I'm looking at here. I don't know. You could just clearly see it on the smaller time frames that they're just gonna keep on pushing. Wow, that is incredible. What I do, Wesley? My bad for the low energy right now, boys. I am just coming off of being sick. I know I've said that a couple times. I just, I don't know, making excuses. I don't like how the market's moving right now. I feel like I kind of missed out on the big move. And like, I don't know. I don't want to revenge trade it. I've been trying to catch revenge trades as I see like the market pushing without me, and I kind of hate it. I kind of feel like I'm chasing the market instead of anticipating it. I don't want to be chasing the whole night. So yeah, I'm seeing what the next move is. I'll laugh my ass off if gold's 30-minute candlestick ends up coming back all the way down. I'll laugh my ass off. This looks like it's gonna flip bullish though. There it goes, about to flip bullish. About to flip bullish and fly. There it goes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, gold. Gold's about to fly. Gold is about to fly, boys. Easy reads. Easy reads. I'm potentially gonna hop into some gold sales, brother. And gold starts going down as I say that, but I think gold sales might be a good move. Look at the 30-minute, completely reject this 8 SMA. So price has been accumulating itself at this level of support right here, while we've been respecting, respecting 8 SMA, respecting, and now we've respected again. So the stronger this candlestick goes downwards, the stronger that I think that we're gonna break this huge level of support that we have right here. Success. On my live account now, I am up 3,000. On my live account, I am now up 3K. Look for it, wait for it, wait for it. Oh, load, bitch. It's not loading. Whatever, that's a 3, it's a 3.3, it says 3.345. Fuck it. And then so if you look at for the week, this is no cap. They paid me out on this account very recently, like 3 days ago. I started on like Friday with this account. I'm at 12.5K. You see, there's here you're gonna see on the right there. You should see 12.5. Come on, fucking! How do you make this thing? Bitch ass. Riley, did bro get exposed? I wasn't understanding. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? I am just right now looking at something. The name changed because Miguel's gonna stay with both lives, though I'm gonna stay with whatever I want to stay with and take my own route of however I want to take my route. Manini. No problem, Arnold. I got you. What the fuck happened to my... Gold's about to melt still. Brother, this is bullish lifestyle. You don't see moi right here? The guy that would take all the buys, Mr. Bullish, Mr. Check my track record out. That's how we did in November. Check the scoreboard. We on top. I know we don't got the pop music on. I know you see me repping Bullish Lifestyle, telling you guys to go join the Discord. But boy, this is as real as it's gonna get. Now, this is my first stream of January 2024. Nonetheless, my energy will get better. I'm coming off being very sick. My throat hurts. I've been taking goddamn ibuprofens right here. Them pillios, like if they candy. Check my French. Dirkie would tell me I've been on some positive shit. Lately, I just want to wake up. And also, the market's been moving hella slow at the beginning of this quarter one. People don't usually trade January. People don't usually trade December. These are the bullshit fucking months. Like, what the fuck is going on with these charts, bro? Like I said, Dirkie, he told me he been on some positive shit. Yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately, it's cash I'm getting. Gotta count me losing these bags. I've been losing too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops were harassed? I'm probably singing and people are like, what the fuck's going on? Boy, I really miss the fucking music I used to put. If I put music, Logic is I'm up 12.5k on my fucking live account. I haven't had, I mean, these last 4 months, I've been cashing the fuck out of FTMO. It's like the FTMO account has like a certain blessing. But shit's just been going well with FTMO, man. I got the receipts. That is a W song. I can rap the whole song. All my life, I decided I had to fit, but the media called me a menace. I done sat with the mayors and politicians. I'm trying to change my image. You can't claim myself no more. I come from the trenches. Some said I'll never be a superstar, but I know that I'm different. I'm the voice, but people ain't giving me a choice. There's some people that's still unemployed. Got families that trying to get forward. Child support, she only support. No visions, I'm going through court. Wonder what we could do? We could just start zooming. What if we say fuck YouTube, we grow Bullish Lifestyle big enough to just have a consistent like 30 to 50 people on Zoom, and we eat personally with them and we listen to music and jam out, man. Fuck all that fame shit. Put DJ Freedom Street Rap non-copyright song is low-key lit. They say they all non-copyright, but then they fucking start fucking going after you have some viewers on them. I swear to God, when I had no viewers, I would be able to always just, when I had no subscribers, no viewers, I'd be able to put any song I wanted and never had a problem. I don't know where you get a little bit of viewers, and I don't know where it's fucking like I'm trying to take over goddamn North Korea, where I got every fucking place banning my shit that's not fucking, I don't know, United States and Canada. Look at GJ. I'll look at GJ right now. Did it go back down, or is it still recovering slowly? GJ looks so ugly. I don't even want to trade GJ. It's going back down. Yep. It's going back down. Breaking retest for the long? I don't know. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish. What the fuck is your guys' take on GJ? Truthfully, I don't even know if I want to touch. I'm up $3,000 for the day. I was almost down like $2,000. Somehow, some way, we came back. Wanna know what challenge I'm about to purchase, people? Guess what challenge from what prop firm I'm about to purchase. If you get whoever guesses it, I'll give you a mod roll. I don't know. I'll give you something. Pat you on the back. You guys are gonna laugh. You guys are gonna laugh when I say it, but when I get a payout from them, you guys are gonna fucking ask me for the fucking promo code. Who? No, not FTMO. No. Who do you think? Dr. Peso? No. MFF is a funny motherfucking answer, and they owe me like fucking 300k in accounts. They owe me like a $7,000 payout. I thought I was gonna get paid out $7,000. I go to Vegas, I waste like $8,000, come back, find out they fucking go broke literally the day I get back and shit. No, not TFT. That's not. Guys, come on. Let's see who has the real guess. Like, why would I be fucking saying it the way I'm saying it? The closest guess was goddamn Wesley. Wesley was the closest guess. And why would Wesley, why would the closest guess be a fucking a prop firm that doesn't even exist anymore? Damn. That's how I know if you guys aren't getting it, and that's how I know that you guys are gonna be surprised when I say it. And I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna pass the challenge in front of you guys, and we're gonna get paid out in front of you guys with this. That's the. Might as well buy the challenge right now. Dirk, you told me you've been on some positive shit. Alpha Capital, I don't even know what the fuck that is, so maybe that's another good answer, but no, not Alpha Capital. Clarity, boys, come on. You guys suck. Not Rocket 21, but that's another funny answer. Yo, Wesley got the Wesley, you're right around the corner from fucking hitting it. You're right around the corner from hitting it. I have a feeling Wesley's the guy that's gonna hit it. I was about to say it, but now that you guys are still fucking giving guesses, I want to see who's gonna get it. Wesley, guess one more try. I promise you got it. You got it. I'm telling you, brother. Just say what you thought you were gonna say, and you're like, nah, not that one. It's that one. It's the one that none of you think that you were gonna say. One of the top ones. You guys is one of the top. No. Top tier is not it, but that's even closer. You guys are around the corner. You guys are so funny. I can't wait to see your guys' reaction. No, not top funded trader. Yo, y'all are hilarious how you guys can't even guess it. Maybe I am gonna do something bad. Not Top Step. It's telling you it's a name all y'all know. Jesus Christ. Oh, somebody said something. Somebody said something. Somebody said something. Oh. Leveled up, baby. We going leveled up, baby. Leveled up society, gang. Can't believe none of you could guess that, boys. I was golfing with Raul. I'm telling you that I'm working on some things. I was fucking giving him the whoop. Ew, that sounds kind of gay. Nonetheless, it's leveled up society, boys. Leveled up society is back up and running. And we finna join and we finna promote. Alright, boys, let's talk some technicals. So, when we're looking at the 4-hour candlestick chart, we can see that, man, we're in the middle of a range, right? We're in the middle of a range, so we want to be looking at the closest, like, most previous candlesticks, and what we see is that we had a huge bearish candlestick that wick filled this, then we had a continuation candlestick. This candlestick right here, realistically, could act like it's going to come and start engulfing this, and once it engulfs this, yeah, maybe it starts looking like a good buy, but realistically, this looks like a bearish, and this should be bearish as well. You know, 3 soldiers type candlestick vibes, and you know, gold has been pushing aggressively to the downside. Doesn't mean that I'm right on that it's going to go down. What I'm trying to say is that my higher probabilities are telling me that it's down. You know, it's going to go down rather than up, even with us already being at this strong level of support where we've seen rejections before. Because if what we're looking at here as well is this was a impulse, this was a correction, and then this was a impulse. Yes, we could start, you know, rejecting just like the previous one, but this but that's calling bottoms, and calling bottoms isn't with the probabilities. The probabilities are with it going down, and we already rejected a little bit of the longs. You know, this was the long and we rejected it. we're all the way back down to this level of support again. So me realistically looking at gold, I think that's going to keep on going down. That's my outlook. Now, looking at GJ, I think GJ also is going to keep on going down. That's my outlook. Why? Because just look at the previous candlestick, just leaving, goes up, then it goes down, goes up, then it goes down. This one's going up, potentially leaving a wick, then it's going to go down. You know, not really much to this kumbaya. Kumbaya is when we're vibing. This is, you know, when we're just chilling, everything's going fine, you know, vibe is right. It means that we're having a kumbaya. You all understand that? So as long as we kumbayaing, I'll stick around. As soon as charts get really ugly, even if I'm not taking a trade, I'll stick around. But as soon as the charts get real ugly and it's not a kumbaya, I'm out. Someone's saying the Lord, kumbaya. Someone's kumbaya. What account size? Get the biggest account. I'm probably gonna get like a 200K account. 200K is the way. I feel most comfortable with 200K accounts. I used to feel most comfortable with 50K accounts, and then I never really felt too comfortable with 100K accounts. It's a little bit too fucking like square for me. I don't know if you guys feel like I'm feeling. 50K accounts, I felt like I could push it easily and not have to like worry about it. But then 50K accounts became way too small amount of profits. Like a $5,000 payout really doesn't hit too hard, especially when you're only getting paid out 80% of it. So see, right now I'm up $12.5 thousand. I posted it on my Instagram. I'm up $12.5 thousand, and being up $12.5 thousand, I'm still getting paid out only 80% of that. So therefore, me getting paid out 80% of that means that I'm getting paid out $10,000, approximately $10,000. That's not too bad for 2 weeks. And I'm just kidding. When I say that, that's not too bad for 2 weeks. That's obviously amazing for 2 weeks. I'm exaggerating. Like, it's not too bad. You know, I'm not trying to fucking, 10K is money, boys. I ain't trying to say 10K ain't money. 10K ain't hella money. So don't get it fooled. All right. Just cause fucking Lambo Raul fucking a multi-millionaire don't mean I gotta like that. Chill, bro. They gifted me this Amiri hoodie for my birthday. It's a fucking $800 hoodie. Could you believe that? And it was on discount. It's actually like $1,200. Can you believe that? I'll never spend that much money on a sweater. Hell, not even if I fucking, I don't even think if I made 100K in a day, I'd fucking spend $1,000 on a sweater. What? Oh, that's fire. It's a fire design. I fuck with it. I'm actually happy. My boy Euro, if anybody knows Euro Trades, gifted it to me. Fucking love. Wesley, you might know him. Danny D. Pasquale. Danny D. Pasquale. He gifted me this little sweater. I don't know, maybe like a birthday ago, 2 birthdays ago, maybe 3. Bro, I like you so much. I just want to say thank you for your time. And what do you think about gold, bro? Thank you for your appreciation. Thank you for everybody who's watching the stream right now. I apologize, I've not had the most active stream. I feel like I have not been really too price action oriented and educated oriented. Nonetheless, what do I see myself happening with gold, man? Gold is in a very tricky zone, right? We're in a range to begin with. Besides being in a range, we're seeing huge wick projections to the downside, huge projections to the upside. Like right now, it's like, man, if you're bullish, I'll tell you this: if you're bullish, make sure you're buying when price is falling, right? Buy at support. Don't start trying to take sells at support. Please don't do that. Now, so if you're planning on buying right now, your entries are pretty soon, as in pretty soon and right now, right? Now, if you're looking for sells, man, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for you're at the sell zone. Wait for it to reject maybe one more time, maybe at this level, maybe at this level, and then try, you know, targeting this wick fill and this wick fill. Look at the higher, look the hourly. It's bearish beneath the 8 SMA as well, right? Nonetheless, you're at a very low place, and I don't like calling bottoms and I don't like calling tops. That's why I'm being patient and waiting for gold to go down. Arnold's been saying that all day, and he's been right all day. So hell, ride the streak. GJ is bouncing. Bounce it, bounce it. I'm about to blow 100,000. I prefer my 8 SMA and my 50 SMA. 8 and the 50. Anytime, boss. You guys can ask as many questions as you guys want. That's why I'm here. There's no such thing as a bad question. I don't really need to look at the 200. The 200 is pretty easy to identify when something is very oversold or overbought. Like if something is just like pushing aggressively out of the random bros top G. Yes, sir. Man, I'm here to teach you guys how to fight against the Matrix. I'm here to I support the cause. I goddamn support the cause of stopping all the double-dicked motherfuckers from fucking ruining the god. I'm just kidding, yo. Chill. I'll chill. Maybe when we get a little bit more confident. That was just something I heard Andrew Tate say that it made me laugh my ass off so much. He was like, yo, these motherfucking double-dicked something. I was just like, yo, no way he just said that. Like, where do you come up with those things? That dude has such a high level vocabulary. High key, I'm from the I'm not from the United States, I'm from South America. But Andrew Tate has a better vocabulary than I do. He uses words like, I don't even know, man, that I just don't know how you, like, I don't know. He's a really good speaker, to be honest. Fucking put him in a room with Ben Shapiro, you know? The Tate brothers are the best, dude. I mean, truthfully, I'm not a big fan of his brother, of Andrew. I mean, of Tristan. Yeah, they're definitely they've motivated me to start being a little bit more God-oriented. You know, we all need our boundaries. And whatever you consider your God, whether it's the energy, whether it's the sun, whether it's fucking Allah, whether it's Jesus Christ himself, we all need a little bit of God in our life, right? It's like fucking, if not, it's like if you want a functioning society, would you picture the Wild West? No, the Wild West, it's like there's no fucking boundaries. It's just, you know, it's a very evil, nasty place to live. So like, for the best of society, the reason the United States is failing is because these motherfuckers are being taught to not have boundaries. Like, people fucking think that you're like the first fucking thing they teach you in the United States is, hey, this is the land of the free. Like, what the fuck does that even mean? You can do whatever you want over here. You can do the same thing you want in all those other motherfucking countries. They just fucking, the United States is the place where they give you the biggest illusion that we're free. That's the difference. They give you the illusion that we're free. So they say, hey, you have freedom of speech. No, you fucking don't. You can't go into the street and start saying that you don't like gays and you don't approve double-dicked transgender children, and you can't say any of that. That's considered hate speech. You can go to jail. You could actually probably go to fucking, you probably have a higher % chance of going to jail for fucking burning an LGBTQ fucking T pride, well, one of those flags, than burning a goddamn American flag. So they say you have freedom of speech, right? When you look at these other countries, you're allowed to say whatever the fuck you want to say. but they don't fucking have a rule that says, hey, you're allowed to say whatever you want to say. It's like, why would that need to be a fucking rule, right? But what do they have? They have religion, right? Religion says, I mean, they just know what not to say, bro. Like in these other fucking countries, they have freedom of speech. They're allowed to go out and start saying these fucking crazy. What they're not allowed to do is disrespect, you know, the holy God, the holy grail, Allah, or whatever the hell. You know, they're not allowed to disrespect other people's religions. They're not allowed to disrespect, like, they're not hard things to say not to do. It's like just, you know, you just respect somebody else's fucking beliefs that have fucking valuable morals, and that's it. That's all they're asking you to do. Yeah, but we're not talking about China, Russia, or North Korea. Those are communist fucking countries and shit like that. I'm talking about I'm talking about going to Dubai. You know, I'm talking about going to Dubai. I'm talking about going to, I don't fucking know. Don't take it to the heart. United States is a goddamn scam. It's crazy how people think that. I mean, I don't even know if people picture it like this, but like, imagine a lot of people think that, oh, let me just go to the United States, let me buy a house, let me fucking make a little bit of money, and then I can retire. And it's like, no, you fucking can't. The second you buy a house, your house is worth, let's say, $400,000, $500,000. Let's say it's worth fucking $600,000. That's what an average house in Miami is going to be costing. The second you pay off that house completely, the house is yours. You got $400,000 left in the bank. You got a $600,000 house, $400,000 left in the bank. You're gonna live for 30 more years. You basically need fucking. What my point was going to get to, the second you pay off that goddamn $600,000 house, you still need to pay property tax, you still need to pay insurance, you still need to pay water, you still need to pay light. So you bought a $600,000 house that you still need to pay fucking $10,000, fucking $4,000 a month on, you know, $3,000 a month on. And so it's like, yo, you still got to fucking make, all right, 3 times 12, fucking $36,000 a year just to maintain a house that you already purchased. So that house, so it's just, so it's like, if the house doesn't even go up in value, at one point you're just buying a house and you're just in debt on that house. Fucking what happens if you don't pay that insurance? The fucking government takes it right away from you. So you think you own shit over here? No, you fucking don't. Oh yeah, no. Living in United States is expensive, boys. Jeez, it's a scam. It's a scam. It really is a scam. You guys can go, man. Truthfully, back then in the day, South America was the way to go. Like, you could live in Venezuela, beautiful country. Everything was going really well. I'm not even gonna talk about that. It's a fucking horrible dump now. But man, there's places around the world that you could live reasonably, you know, with a small amount of money and live a very, very nice life. And we're just taught that America is the place to go. I was one of the people that used to preach to everybody, hey, America's the best fucking country in the world. I think little by little I'm kind of realizing that it's like the biggest illusion of being the best country in the world. We're actually producing the most fucking degenerates. We got the most people incarcerated in the world. We got a whole bunch of fucking, I don't know, it's just a whole bunch of nasty things going on in politics. Goddamn we fund a whole bunch of fucking factories in China that destroy our climate, but then the same people that are funding those factories come to the United States and they start funding the politics that say that there's global warming, and then they put sanctions and put restrictions on the United States, so United States can't open any factories. But the same people lobbying for that are paying for all the factories in China. So we're just a scam ass country. Which you know what? I fuck with that. It's kind of like Miami. Miami's full of like fucking internet scammers. Like that's like the United States produces a whole bunch of fucking internet scammers. Matrix is gonna strike. Yo. Matrix is probably watching for sure right now. Jesus Christ. I didn't even think about it like that. I'm actually a little bit worried. I definitely need to go to Dubai. Dubai is the money laundering haven of the world. It's where all the narcos, where all the dirtiest of dirtiest people go. But that's for a different talk. That's for a different talk. Dude, JP is the definition of a scammer. JP sells literally people funded accounts, and the second they pay for the funded account, he like fucking deletes them and blocks them on Instagram. How do you guys think it's possible to actually sell a funded account? That's not even like physically and logistically possible. And how could why would he sell a funded account for $1,000? Like if he had a funded account, he could easily just like he has a better chance of throwing a random fucking 10 lot and letting it just go instantly into profit. like what? Fucking 50 lot buy on one, 50 lot sell on the other, and he'll make fucking more than 10K. The challenge costs $1,000. Why would you buy that account for $1,000? But look, he posts that and he keeps on posting that because there's people that are actually falling for it. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Lord help the industry. Thoughts on Canada? Canada's getting a bit sketchy right now with the new government. Canada used to be a great place, but it's getting really sketchy. They have a lot of very strong hate speech laws, and they have a lot of very strong restrictions. Coronavirus changed Canada big time. Coronavirus is where they got to do a whole bunch of lobbying, and if whoever's Canadian could 100% agree with me. Post-coronavirus Canada is Canada. Post-coronavirus Canada is not the same. No, it's not even the Indian problem. It's not even a problem. It's just the laws that they have there and shit like that. Just like LA post-coronavirus. I don't even know why that matters. It doesn't matter if there's a lot of Indians. Here in Miami, there's a lot of Latins. And fucking, you know, go to fucking Quebec, there's a whole bunch of French people. Or Canadian French, whatever, French Canadian. Go to fucking Colombia, there's a whole bunch of Venezuelans. Go to Sunny Isles, Miami, there's a whole bunch of fucking Russians. Go to Miami Beach, there's a whole bunch of Jews. Go to Texas, there's a whole bunch of Mexicans. It's like, of course, everywhere you go in the world, there's gonna be big groups of other fucking places, of other people. They're not gonna fucking spread out. They're always gonna fucking go where each other are. So I don't see it as a problem if there's a whole bunch of Indians, and it's like an irrelevant statement in my eyes. You know, it's like there's a whole bunch of Africans in France. It's like, yeah, there's a whole bunch of fucking Europeans. There's a whole bunch of there's a whole bunch of everything everywhere. You know. And the only reason I clarify that is just because it makes it sound bad if, like, when somebody says, oh, there's a whole bunch of this there. It's like, and what, you know? What the fuck is the problem? Have you ever been to Chicago? I have not been to Chicago. What is there a whole lot of what there? A whole lot of gang violence there. I agree, Nadeem. Alright, boys, looking at GJ right now, who is convinced that GJ is now officially bullish? Or who think, one's in the chat, type one's in the chat if you guys think GJ is bullish, type two's in the chat if you think that GJ is bearish, and we're going to start rejecting off this ASME right here. I want to see what the chat thinks. I'm also thinking pretty bearish. A little head and shoulders type action. And finally, gold's officially completely going down. Bro, where have I been all Christmas? Man, I've been traveling. I've been traveling with family. With yeah, just been busy. Also, December is a horrible month to trade. There wasn't a lot of movement on the market. I don't want to be hopping on live stream and doing kind of what I'm doing now, just talking around, not actually taking trades. But that's due to the fact that there's not really much to be taken. Kind of show you guys that, you know, make money as a trader, and it's not because I fucking take a whole bunch of trades a night. It's mostly because you stick to a bias, you execute your plan, and you stick to, you know, being consistent every single day on the charts. I mean, realistically, right now, I don't even know what the fuck I'm waiting for. Short on GG is not bad at all, at all. Sorry about that. All right, chat, talk to me before I get off. What is the chat? What is the chat is in, like, what do you got? What trades are you guys in? I'm getting pretty tired. Gold sells. GJ was long today. GJ was long today. That's the shitty part. So our bias, I mean, I don't even remember what the fuck we hopped into on GJ. We didn't really call out any clean trades today besides the first one that was break even. So, I mean, realistically, nothing's gonna get put on the chart today. Our spreadsheet. This is our spreadsheet that we did in November, October, September, August, July, June, May, and April. Now we're in January. Jesus Christ. No, I don't think I'm taking any more trades today, brother. Yes, sir, I will be streaming daily. Not really. Not really. Oh, Nadim. Yeah, market's dead as hell, boys. I'm gonna start getting off. Thank you guys for everybody who came to the live stream and watched through the quietness, through the blabbering. Tomorrow, I promise it's gonna be a lot cleaner of a stream. I'm gonna purchase the challenge right when we start the stream off Leveled Up Society. It's gonna be a 100k or a 200k challenge, and then we're gonna take the first trade and try to pass it on live stream. How many days it takes, I'm only gonna take the trades on live stream, so you guys will be able to be a part of the whole experience. Boys, thank you guys so much for joining the stream. Much love to everybody. Much love to everybody. Thank you for everybody who came back and watched the stream after 2 months of not being here. I promise we're gonna be here every single day. Man, love y'all. Beautiful night.